really good news. So I put a little fluid in it, and ran the engine for about 15, no, not even 15 minutes, for like 5 minutes, and I'm now able to shift. It's a little slow shifting, and I'm able to shift. I can't really turn it on and shift it for you because it's super duper loud. You'll never ever hear me, but it looks like we still need a little more fluid.
Essentially what we have now is a motorboat that only goes in reverse.
So today I came out here to try and drain this fluid because we noticed last time we had a little water in it, and it looks like it has drained all on its own. So we have some sort of monstrous leak going on with this guy, because all of the fluid that I put in before is down here. So that is what's in my bilge. It's all transmission fluid. That being said, I'm going to see if I still need to even drain it out, because it seems to be draining just fine on its own. But we're going to make sure. There is a plug on the other side, and I'm going to go see if that's intact in a second. But since that guy's bone dry again, I think we might not have much to take out of here. Anyway, yeah, nothing but air. Okay, we need to move the boat today because there is a storm moving in, and we don't know if that one's going to hit us, but it might, and it is season. Ooh, no, there is stuff in there. It's just way further down. It's just not enough to get out. See if that reads yet. Cool. We do. We have transmission fluid. It's the right color. Let's see. Which means it doesn't have any water mixed in it yet. I'm hoping that this water was just back pressure, so that still looks really good. But we are gonna just heat up the engine for about 2 minutes and pull that back out and flush it one more time. Seal between the engine and the transmission is 100% bad.
Hey everybody, today is a very special day. Today we get to go sailing on Windsong. Stay tuned. So the camera will see this shit show. a good day sail to start the day out. See, I guess we're gonna go to Buck Island today. It's right there. Don't mind that other boat and that there's no mast. Don't worry about that. It's invisible. Wow! Big wave. We got wind in our sails. And in my hair. Oh wait, I don't have any hair and we don't have sails. But we do have a towboat. All right, we're still moving along here. I was once told if there was any two boats going in the same direction, it's considered a race. And I think we might have an opponent over there. May, to the best man, may he win. I think they might be winning. It's beautiful out here. Ish. Watch out for the packet rock over here, yeah? Huh? Open navionics, but it's coming up by this buoy over here. Well, I don't know exactly how far it is in this way. Coming in. Looks gnarly. Let's see if we make it. Your way. That stuff is coming this way. Hey guys, the storm passed and we're pulling in to the marina.
get this guy disassembled some so we can pull it out. So we have to take that engine mount off, unhook that engine mount. There's one under there on the other side. And those are the only 3 I see so far. And then we have to unhook all these weird extra hoses and things all up in here. Find where every wire and bit and piece is going. Unhook those. We're going to come around and remove that guy so that we can release the transmission with the engine from the prop shaft. So we're going to do that next. And so here we go. Alright, so it's time to start seeing if we can loosen up all these bolts. Get it going. I realized after I got here, the only thing I have in a 1/2 inch was a breaker bar, so I got that going. But I needed a 1-inch socket, so I'm using a breaker bar, because that's what we got. And these guys are actually sort of loose, so that's cool. Not really cool. Had we been running the engine, it wouldn't have been very cool at all, but it is what it is. Yep, that one's nice and loose. Like, not hand-tight loose, but moves easily with the breaker bar loose. Can I have that large crescent wrench? That one. Ooh, it has a thing on it that says 1 inch. That made that easier. Alright, those are nice and loose. Let me loosen the other one before we move on. Oh shit, there's one in that corner too. Alright. I'm gonna have to take the stairs off to get at that last one. out of popsicle sticks and hopes and dreams. Yep. It's just barely like put together. Minimal effort is being used to take this stuff out. All right, let's see what we lost while we were overheating. Well, that's done. Now we have to learn new exit strategies. Cool, we've got a rope to learn how to climb. So we got all the motor mounts off. Disconnected the water pump. Disconnected the exhaust manifold, the exhaust piping. And now I am going to disconnect the prop shaft. And that's gonna happen. But I am being careful because I don't want water in the boat. Especially since our day may have moved again. It's no longer Monday, I don't believe, because we can't get here. So who knows what day it will be. All right, time to get after it.